Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 11th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody had a great Friday evening. Everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Excuse me, because it's the only weather you got. Alright, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48 as well. And also your local forecast is included. I'm back with your video forecast tonight. No electrifying storms are around my area, so I get the chance to be back with my video tonight. Alrighty, as you can see, we got some scattered activity down here across South America. Got a couple down here across Central America and also in the Eastern Pacific. Excuse me. Although we got more activity up here in the Yucatan Peninsula over to Mexico. A little bit of scattered activity over southeast Texas. Got more activity from New Mexico all the way into Wyoming and Colorado. A little bit in through the Dakotas. Also up here around Minnesota and Wisconsin, bringing some severe weather with tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in that region. Also some heavy rain and thunderstorms across the southeastern U.S. as well, and also some scattered activity in the tropical Atlantic, and also some activity across Cuba, and also down toward the Dominican Republic, and a little bit in the Caribbean Sea as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got the thunderstorms and showers from Maine to New York State, Pennsylvania, to the Carolinas, to the Florida region, Florida Keys, Atlantic coastal waters, the central and northern Gulf, from Georgia to Texas, to Arizona, New Mexico, to Colorado, to Kansas, all the way to Wisconsin, up here to Minnesota, through southeast Canada, around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Ottawa, and Toronto, Canada. I got some severe weather up here around eastern Michigan, down in Ohio, and also a portion of Indiana, and then again for a portion of West Texas. More flash flooding and heavy rain over a portion of New Mexico to Texas, to Oklahoma, to portion of Arkansas and southern Missouri. Otherwise, make dry, high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, here's a look at your forecast for Sunday. We got some thunderstorms and showers up here across South Canada, northern Montana, a little bit in a portion of Idaho, southern Montana to Wyoming, to Utah, to Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, to northeastern Mexico, through Texas, up in the portion of South Dakota, Nebraska. Excuse me. They don't want me to talk. My allergies acting up. Don't want me to be telling the forecast, but we're going to do it no matter what. Alright, anyway, we got some thunderstorms and showers over to Minnesota, to Wisconsin, over toward Iowa, to Michigan, to Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Ottawa, Canada, Toronto, Canada, from Maine to New York State, to the Carolinas, Florida, Florida Keys, to Texas, to New Mexico, and also areas of Missouri. I got some heavy rain, flash flooding from Texas and Oklahoma and Arkansas, southern Missouri. Then again from D.C. to Pennsylvania, New York State as well. Otherwise, make dry, high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Let's move on to your Monday forecast. Your current watch and warning advisory map. Still getting ahead of myself still. Alrighty. Excuse me. Alright, we got a lot of air quality alerts up here in portion of Minnesota, Wisconsin region, also down in portion of Colorado. We're getting some tornado warnings ongoing and severe thunderstorm warnings also in effect for portions of and watches there as well for southern Wisconsin, down in Illinois, and also Iowa, and also got some severe thunderstorm watches in effect for portions of western Illinois, central Missouri, eastern counties of Kansas. Then again, northwestern Kansas, southwestern Nebraska, portion of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, northern Texas, western Oklahoma, southern Colorado, and eastern and northeastern Mexico. Flood watch has been posted again for Oklahoma to Texas, and central and west Texas, southeastern New Mexico. We got some heat advisory for portions of New Mexico, Utah, California, Arizona, Washington, and also Idaho region as well. Like I said, got flash flood warnings for portions of Iowa and flood watches there as well. Special weather statements and some severe weather across South Carolina and Georgia, and some special marine warning along the coastal areas of South Carolina. Alright, Northern California up to portions of Oregon and Washington State. Small craft advisory gale warning. Southern side of Hawaii and Chain Island there as well. North side looks good. And extreme northeastern areas of portions of Alaska. Small craft advisory gale warning there as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Okay, this is for you Saturday. General thunderstorm from up here from around Burlington to Watertown, all the way to Fort Myers, Miami, San Antonio, all the way just east of Tucson, Flagstaff area to Cheyenne. Slight risk of severe weather from Fort Stockton to the Midlands. Then again from Fort Wayne all the way to Detroit and eastern Michigan region as well. Marginal risk from Marquette, Michigan to Pierre to Springfield to McCook, Wichita Falls over to Albuquerque and El Paso. You're included. Let's see, tornado probability is going to look like this: 2% across eastern and northeastern Michigan. Damaging winds going to look like this: 5% from Michigan all the way to Texas. There's that 15% in Texas, New Mexico, and then up here for portion of Ohio and 2 portions of eastern Michigan, 15% area. Large hail, 5% from Michigan to Texas. There's that 15% around Midland and Fort Stockton area, and then 5% up towards the Denver, Colorado regions as well. Alright, let's move on to day number 3, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, coming up here we go. Alright, we got general thunderstorms over here, portions of Wyoming and southern Montana. Also over here, portions of Minnesota, Iowa, and also southeastern areas of South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, and then from Denver, Colorado to Tucson, Arizona, also San Antonio to Fort Myers, all the way to Columbia, South Carolina, Fort Wayne, also to western Maine. Marginal risk from Watertown down to Richmond, Virginia. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, you're included. Evansville to Fort Stockton, you're included. Marginal risk probability is going to look like this: 5% in the brown areas. Alright, let's move on to the Climate Prediction Center. We're going to take a look at the next 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook. Valid through July 19th through the 25th of 2025. That was updated today. We got above normal temps from Maine to Florida to Texas to Washington, Oregon State, California, a little bit across Southern California to New Mexico and Arizona, near normal. Up here around Wisconsin, Minnesota, northern Michigan, near normal. And then well above normal temperatures across southeast Texas, over toward Louisiana, South Florida. Then again over here in the Pacific Northwest from North and South Dakota to Montana to Washington State, portion of northern Nevada, Utah region, you're included as well. Alaska region, much of it above normal to the central and northeast. Central and southwest, near normal. Hawaii and Chain Island, above normal, all island chain. Alright, near normal precipitation in the northeast across Maine. Near normal across South Florida, portion of Texas to Montana to Washington, Oregon State to California. Below normal precipitation from portions of Nevada to Oregon to Idaho to portion of Wyoming. From Kansas to Oklahoma to Texas. Then above normal precipitation for northeastern areas of Washington State, northern Idaho, northwestern Montana, eastern Montana to the Dakotas, down to the Tennessee, Ohio River Valley, down towards the southeast U.S. to northeast. Above normal from a little bit above normal from Louisiana to south to North Carolina, as well as Hawaii and Chain Island. Above normal precip. Much of Hawaii and Alaska region above normal, near normal central and south, and then below normal to the southeast. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care, and I'll hopefully be back tomorrow evening if no storms are around. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful evening, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.